What you see on the background is the dim lit laboratory of scientist Ahron. Around him, shelves are lined with ancient manuscripts, modern gadgets, and prototypes. But at the center stand, a peculiar watch is designed, defying the conventions of timekeeping. Come on, everyone, let's see what is happening in his laboratory right now.
Yes! Yes! Come on, Haran! 30 years of hard works, heartaches, and hopes, all for this moment. Precision is key! Precision is key! Let no error fail you. Only one chip to place. The time machine will be okay. Nadare, the time machine! Eureka! At last! Amme! It is done! The history shall remember me for the time machine! Now the question is, where should I travel? Past or future? The past is for the historian. The future is visionaries like me. Come on, let's go to 2100. 2100, here I come.
The scientist propelled to the year 2100 by the magical time machine finds himself in a familiar location. Yet, everything has changed. His laboratory is gone, replaced by a park. Is it Grannyland? Yes, it seems.
Hi all! Those were good times. Parks filled with youth laughing. Now it is mostly us older folks left behind, while the young ones explore space and other planets, looking for new places to live.
Yes, indeed. I recall the days when smartphones were our companions. We would laugh, share stories, and get lost in worlds like Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat. Ha! Time truly flies.
Oh, how can we forget? In those days, we used to worry about likes, comments, and making good posts. Those were easy times. നിങ്ങളെല്ലാരും കൂടെ എന്നെ ഇന്ന് പിടിച്ച് പൊക്കിക്കേ. Long ago, the earth was beautiful, with lots of trees, colorful flowers, singing birds and many animals. Looking back, it's sad to see how things have changed. What did we do?
Back in my day, the air was so pure. La 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 la, la 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 la. No robots around, life's a grand tour. La 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 la, la 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 la. Back in my day, the air was so pure. No robots around, life's a grand tour.
Oh, the tales we tell of days
Long gone, the grass was greener and we moved the lawns. Phones to chat and apps for free. Or replaced by the big AI, 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 AI.
Oh, it's a polluted city somewhere on planet Earth. The remaining youth are plotting their escape to the planet unknown. Let's see what they're talking.
for us the youth in this aging planet. It's time we leave this worn planet and journey to the unknown. Eta, don't need to worry. I have purchased my new BMW space shuttle. But with whatever money I left, I have an idea. Let's travel together to planet unknown and find happiness.
Hey guys, I heard about an agency called... അയ്യോ അതിന്റെ പേരെന്ത് വരുന്നു? Monica Center help us to relocate to planet unknown. Let's apply and break free from this earth. Here we go. Off to seek wealth and happiness. Goodbye earth. Hello planet unknown.
To the stars we go, leaving earth behind. Granny land won't hold us, we are breaking free.
To the stars we go, leaving earth behind. Granny land won't hold us, we are breaking free.
Planets are calling, a new world to find. Is space our destiny? Ha! Leaving Granny Land behind.
To the stars we go, leaving earth behind. Granny land won't hold us, we are breaking free. To the stars we go, leaving earth behind. Granny land won't hold us, we are breaking free.
Back on Earth in the household of a granny, four elderly individuals are sitting and discussing the current situation on Earth. Let's peep into their talk. Come on, guys.
During our younger days, the youth used to migrate to UK, US, Canada, and Australia. It was a big deal back then. Do you remember?
Yes, I do remember. Now, it's not countries that they're migrating to, but to planet unknown. And here we are, left with robots. No children, no grandchildren to talk with, just robots.
Speaking about robots, I remembered something. I bought a new AI personal assistant robot. Let me introduce her. Mole Harmony. Harmony.
Greetings, humans. How may I assist you today?
Harmony, my dear, make me a cup of coffee.
Harmony, എനിക്ക് ചായ.
മോളെ എനിക്കൊരു ഡയ ജ്യൂസ് ഉണ്ടാക്കി തരാമോ?
I need a green salad.
Preparation initiated. Please take your seat.
Rubber boogie, vice and twine. This is the future world. Yes, combined. Rubber boogie, vice and twine. This is the future world. Yes, combined. Rubber boogie, vice and twine. This is the future world. Yes, combined. Rubber boogie, vice and twine. This is the future world. Yes, combined. Dance with us. The future is bright. But beware the robots. They might take a bite. Rubber boogie, vice and twine. This is the future world. Yes, combined. Rubber boogie, vice and twine. This is the future world. Yes, combined.
Oh, this is something very important. The youth travel to planet unknown and realize that the planet is being exploited by humans and the conditions there are worse than on planet Earth.
My God! The reality is worse. Planet unknown is worse than planet Earth.
I understand now. It's we humans who explore, exploit, and destroy planets.
After seeing the terrible condition of our planet unknown, I feel we need to head back to Earth. Earth is far better, I guess so. Oh, so sad. We blame Granny Land, our ancestors, for nothing.
We need to fix things right. Let's go and inform the remaining youth about the terrible condition of planet unknown.
We humans belong to planet Earth and should be the protectors of nature.
Back on Earth, the wisdom of the elders and the passion of the youth unite for a common cause. Determined to restore the balance and heal their planet, they embark on a transformative journey together.
Oh, my dear grandchildren, I am so happy that you're back.
Granny, you were right all along.
We need to cherish and protect our planet.
Your wisdom combined with our energy can make Earth beautiful.
We have the knowledge and experience, and you have the passion and innovation. Together, we can work wonders. This is just the beginning. By working together and respecting our planet, we can make a better future.
To our shared journey to the Earth we love and to the generations that will thrive. Cheers!
As famous Malayalam poet Ullur S. Parameswara Iyer said, Namukku Name Panivadu Nagavum Naragavum. It means we are the one who build heaven and hell on earth. Yes, it's we humans who make heaven and hell.
I don't want this time machine. Let me destroy it. I don't want to be in